Hello friends, welcome to Ledtvrepair. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hello friends, once again welcome back to yet another vlog of Ledtvrepair. Today in this video we are going to repair this JVC 32-inch LCD TV with the fault no power issue due to lightning. See friends, here this motherboard is damaged due to lightning. Since it's an older model, approximately a 12 years old LCD TV, here this default motherboard is not available in the market, so here we are going to install the latest T.R67.03 1.2 version 7. So let's install this board by connecting all connections. For that we need 12 input VCC. Backlight on, ground, speaker connection. Finally we need to wire TV sensor connection according to new universal board. See friends, now we connected all sockets. Let's check the motherboard. See friends, now the TV is working properly along with backlight. Now let's install this in TV back cover. Finally friends, now picture comes and TV universal board installation is complete. Now the TV is working properly. If you need to enter into TV service mode, press the menu 1147 button on remote. So that's it, hope you like this video. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification. Thank you for watching, have a nice day.